Okay, when?
Ew.
Okay, you're supposed to pour it slowly.
I don't know, we've never done this before.
Sorry.
Rinse out the sink now.
Take all of it. Just get to the side.
Alright, then we're gonna work on your hair.
Okay. Whoa!
Poke it.
Maybe it'll bite you. Okay, pour slowly.
Wait, I'm gonna see. Go.
Slowly.
I can't see.
Here it comes.
How many did you put together?
Purple and blue.
Okay.
Just wait till the end of
You have to do
this.
one now.
No, it's okay.
No,
Okay, then
I do it every year.
idea.
I do it every year.
Yeah, you should do it again.
No, it's okay.
Purple and green's gonna turn black.
Fine.
It's pink.
Or pink. Still gonna turn
Do
black.
pink and yellow.
Okay.
Hello.
No, pink and orange.
Your sink is pink.
Okay.
Go slow.
Turn it orange.
What
That was
kind
kind of slow.
of? No.
Okay, Courtney.
Want some brownies, Courtney?
No.
Why?
Because.
Don't eat them.
Derek, now remember,
That
he
has-
made them.
I know, but I'm just saying that when I make
We
fine,
made two.
fine, I don't make you any food. Never again.
Okay. You're
Never again.
No, get away, Courtney. Sweet.
It's cool.
Lime green. Get away.
What color was that?
Ah! Lime green.
Yeah, wash that sink. We don't know.
I'm gonna have some brownies.
We're done? We're
Eat
done?
'em all.
Okay, we're done.